Nature of roots singajonga as graph zi-3 apha. So lena igraph yokuqala ina 2 x-intercepts, which means igraph yethu itasha kayi-2 1 2 and they are not the same. So apha itasha kayi-1 okanye itasha kayi-2 endaweni eyi-1 imtasha kangapho x kayi-1 here. Then apha imtasha at all u-x, apha imtasha kayi-1, then apha u-x igraph imtasha kayi-2. So igraph le ndithetha ngayo nantsiya yilaa parabol, imtasha kangapha u-x kayi-2 1 2, apha imtasha kayi-1, apha imtashanga at all. So that is the nature of what? Of roots. So upper we can say there are two unequal real roots. There are two unequal real roots. Upper we can say there are two, but they are equal. Two equal roots. Two equal real roots. So there are two values ka x, but they are lingana, they are equal. Then upper we can say there are no real roots. Ayitachanga at all, no real roots. So apha ke ngoku nature of roots sijonga loo nto, but ke ngoyona sijonga by calculating the discriminant, which means sizojonga by calculating a discriminant, because sometimes sobe singenayo igraph, i-discriminant yona siyibala ngo-b squared minus 4ac. So if kwenzekile i-discriminant yakho yangaphezulu ya greater than u-0, meaning that ya positive answer, positive, so sesiyayazi uba kuzophuma two roots, two unequal roots. But if uthe xa ubala i-discriminant yakho yalingana no-0, which means up we are going to get only one root, okanye we can say there are two equal real roots. But if your discriminant is less than 0, meaning that you are negative, negative, so you are going to get no real roots, which means asinazo real roots. So xa singenazo real roots, which means ayitouch igraph u-x at all. Xa sina two equal roots, itoucha igraph kabini, but endaweni eyi-1. Nansi itashile endaweni eyi-1. I-discriminant yakho izobe iphume yalingana no-0. Then xa ke ngoku apha sifumene i-discriminant which is greater than 0, which means there are two unequal roots, yinto eme kanjeya ngala parabol. So yona nto siphezu kwayo ke ngoku-apha. So let's have umzekelo wokuqala, siwujonge uba uhamba neyiphi i-condition. So umzekelo that I have here ngoka-x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we want to check if you solve for x, uzofumana x abangaphi apha. If this one iplotwa egraphini, if let's say this one was a function iplotwa egraphini, izomtatsha kangaphi u-x, bazoba ngapho x, in other words, noba uyasolva phaa, then sibe sikwazile uyiphendula. So we are going to calculate the discriminant. We are going to calculate a discriminant, that is discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then the answer yethu ngosizoyijonga uba ihamba neyiphi condition apha. Okay, now let's quickly do it. Inumber encamathele ku-x squared ngu-a, so sino 1 pha. Then ku-x sino minus 5, which means ku-b wethu. Then la number izimele yodwa pha, sithi ngu-c wethu. Now let's substitute. U-b minus 5 square minus 4 times u-a ngu-1, u-c ngu-6 So let's press the calculator. Now if we press the calculator there, we get 1. This one is positive. Remember, when the discriminant is positive, sesiyayazi uba how many roots esingazifumana pha. There are 2 unequal real roots. We can also factorize here. If we factorize here, let's check uba sizofumana ntoni. Factors ka-x squared ngu-x ngu-x, ezika-6 ezikhupha 5, then kube ngu-positive, it can be 3 and 2, then zi-negatives oyi-2. Now ivalue ka-x yokuqala izoba ngu-3, eyesibini ivalue ka-x ibe ngu-2. So if ungazijonga ngezi values zika-x lapha ziyi-2 and they are unequal, ziyi-2 and they are unequal. So yile nto siyithethayo ke ngoku apha. Let's check for another example. Sibomba uzosibeka phi lo mzekelo. Let's say we have, for example, x squared minus 6x, x squared minus 6x plus 9. So nalapha sifuna ujonga i-nature of roots. Remember sithi ingaba zizoba yi-2 roots, ingaba zizolingana, ingaba zizolingana okanye izibakho at all. But siye sibale i-discriminant. I-discriminant make siyibale sikhawulezise apha i-discriminant siyibombe izosibeka phi. So u-b lapha ngu-6, u-b wethu -6, 4 times u-a wethu ngu-1 here, then plus or time 4ac, which means the times lapha, sorry, 4ac, naku a ngu-1, then u-c yena uzoba ngubani? U-c u-9, u-positive 9. Then xa sicofa ke ngoku-calculator here, into esiyifumanayo apha i-answer yethu yaphuma ke ngoku apha ingu-0 exactly. So siphuma no-0 apha. So i-discriminant yethu ilingana no-0. So if i-discriminant ilingana no-0, besitheni pha when the discriminant is equal to 0? How many roots do we have? There are 2, but they are equal. So sizofumana ii-values ka-x eziyi-2 ezi-equal. Make sisolve umzekelo u-x here. Let's solve for x. Sibone uba nyhani naso fumana ii-values ka-x eziyi-2 ezi-equal. Make siyenze lapha, nazi sifactorize kuqala. X squared wenziwa ngu-x no-x, u-9 uze sifumane u-6 angenziwa ngubani umzekelo? Ingangu-3 no-3 negative, which is equal to 0. So x wokuqala kule factor yokuqala le uzoba ngu-3, u-x wesibini kule factor yesibini naye uzoba ngu-3. So if ungayijonga apho, ezi values ewe siyavuma ziyi-2, but they are equal. Ne-discriminant bisixelela loo nto kuba there are 2 equal roots. Then sibe siyifumene leyo. Let's check one more example. Let me clean up this one. One more example. Let's look at this example. Let's say we have x squared plus 4x plus 10. X squared plus 4x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now lapho we want to check if ingaba zophuma ziyi-2, ingaba izophuma i-1 okanye izophuma at all. Siqale sibale i-discriminant, sijonge uba izoba lingana nabani i-discriminant. Sitsho siconclude 4b squared minus 4ac minus 4ac. So u-b wethu apha ngu-4, so we have 4 squared minus 4 times u-a ngu-1 times u-c ngu-10. Now let's press the calculator and check uba i-answer yethu izoba ngubani pha. 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. So the answer that I get here is 24. So the discriminant is negative, meaning that it is less than 0. So when the discriminant is less than 0, which means there are no real roots at all. Noba ungazama ufactorize apha awuzuzifumana values ka x if you try to factorize the values of x that will give you 0 there. So there are no roots at all. Now let's go to equations that are complex. Ke sibone uba izosibeka phi ke ngoku le questions ezinzimanyana. Alright, let's look at this example. This example says find the value of values of k. Find the value of values of k when there are two real and different roots. So nesibambe ke ngole condition, there are two real roots and they are different, which means the discriminant must be greater than 0 for two unequal roots. So we are going to use this condition because basixelele to find the value of k. So two unequal roots, the discriminant is greater than 0. Remember, the discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. It must be greater than 0 because the condition was clear, there are two unequal roots. Okay, so if singajonga ke ngu apha we have 1, that is a wethu, b wethu ke ngoku aphume ngubani b wethu engu-k, then c wethu ngubani ungu-9, then we solve. B wethu ungu-k, k squared minus 4, a wethu ngu-1 times 1, c wethu ngu-positive 9, greater than 0. So we are going to solve for k here. So I will press calculator quickly. I have 4 times 1 times 9. So ndifumane ke ngoku u-36. So k wethu pha k square minus 36 is greater than 0. So apha ke ngoku I'm going to solve ke ngoku for k using zonke indlela zokusolva pha. Remember, this is an inequality. I will first check for critical values pha. I will solve here. This is the difference of two squares. So nazi critical values ngizozibhala la. So I have i-value ka-k, le nto i-factor ka-k squared, k no k. Then power 36 supposed to be 6 no 6. Then enye positive, then enye minus, which is equal to 0. So k ke ngoku ngokwe-critical values ulingana no-6. Omnye k ulingana no-minus 6. Sorry, minus 6. So singaya kwi-number line. I have minus 6 ngapha. I have bani ngapha u-6. Then I will choose ke ngoku apha i-value elapha umzekelo ingangu-0. Then choose engapha ecaleni ingangu-7 kweli cala. 7 ndijonge uba if ndifake endaweni ka-k apha ingaba ndizofumana inumber epositive nyhani na. So if I put for example apha u-7, let me put 7 pha endaweni ka-k, 7 square minus 36. So I get to 13, and 13 is greater than ubani u-0. Okay, so ithethe ukuthi ngui-factors ka-k ke ngoku zingaphaya kuka-6 ziphinde zibe kweli cala kukabani kuka-minus 6. Then kwenye ivideo sizowenza le nto. For now let's focus kule sifunayo. Therefore u-k can be less than 6, negative 6, and k can be greater than ubani u-6. So zezi values zikabani zika-k eziya ezizosinika two real and different roots. Okay, now we're going to check for another question quickly.